morning, children. Welcome to today's online class, and I am your GK teacher Shweta Navkhare. I hope all of you are safe and stay at home. So, let's start our today's class. Protect the wildlife. Wildlife is a precious gift from God for this planet. Because of wildlife, the beauty of this nature is enhanced. Wildlife plays an important role in maintaining the beauty of the environment. So, we need to protect the wildlife. India has more than 200 wildlife sanctuaries and about 100 of them are classified as national parks. These sanctuaries and parks are located in different places. Match the following with their respective place. So, let's start. The first national park is given Kaziranga National Park. And children, it is located at Golaghat, Assam. Kaziranga National Park, a World Heritage Site. The park hosts 2/3 of the world's great one-horned rhinoceros. Kaziranga also boasts the highest density of tigers among the protected areas in the world and was declared a tiger reserve in 2006. Now the next one is Sundarbans National Park, and it is located in the state West Bengal. The Sundarban National Park is many things at once: a biosphere, national park, and tiger reserve. Such is the richness of this mangrove ecosystem. Sundarbans is actually a large delta spread across 40,000 square kilometers between India and Bangladesh. Now the next one is Ranthambore National Park, and it is located at Savai Madhopur, Rajasthan. Ranthambore National Park is one of the biggest and the most renowned national parks in northern India. The park is located in the Savai Madhopur district of southeastern Rajasthan, which is about 130 km from Jaipur. Once considered as one of the famous and former hunting grounds of the Maharajas of Jaipur, today the Ranthambore National Park terrain is a major wildlife tourist attraction that has drawn the attention of many wildlife photographers and lovers. Then the next one is Periyar Sanctuary, and it is located in Idukki, Kerala. Periyar National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary is a protected area located in the district of Idukki in Kerala. It is notable as an elephant reserve and tiger reserve. The protected area encompasses 925 km square, of which 305 km square of the core zone was declared as the Periyar National Park in 1982. The park is a repository of rare, endemic, and endangered flora and fauna, and forms the major watershed of two important rivers of Kerala, the Periyar and the Pamba. Now the next national park is Corbett National Park, and it is located in Nainital, Uttarakhand. Jim Corbett National Park is the oldest national park in India and was established in 1936 as Helen National Park to protect the endangered Bengal tiger. It is located in Nainital district in Uttarakhand and was named after hunter and naturalist Jim Corbett. The park was the first to come under the Project Tiger initiative. Now listen carefully, children. In your book, instead of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh is given. Before that, children, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand is one state, but now it is divided into two states, that is Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. Therefore, the Jim Corbett National Park is located in Nainital, Uttarakhand. So, note it down, children. Now the next one is Ghana Bird Sanctuary, and it is situated at Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Kalaldev Ghana National Park is recognized as one of the world's most important breeding and feeding grounds of birds. The area is home to about 353 species of birds. Ghana National Park is also known as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Ghana was a royal hunting reserve during the 1850s and was a game reserve for Maharajas and the British. The park was a hunting ground for the Maharaja of Bharatpur, who turned his personal hunting domain into a bird sanctuary in 1956. Apart from setting up the sanctuary, Maharaja of Bharatpur also built a dam and an artificial lake to store the water from monsoon rains. Look at this picture, children. This is Gir National Park and it is situated in Junagadh, Gujarat. Gir National Park is located near the coast of far west central part of India in the state of Gujarat. The national park area covers an area of 545 square miles. It sometimes referred to as Sasan Gir. The national park serves as a wildlife sanctuary focused on protecting the Asiatic lion population, which has been increasing in recent years. The park is comprised of a dry deciduous forest with teak mixed in throughout. Collectively, the park is a hilly landscape of dry scrubland. Now the last one is Kanha National Park and it is located in Mandla, Madhya Pradesh. Kanha Tiger Reserve, also called Kanha National Park, is one of the tiger reserve of India and the largest national park of Madhya Pradesh state in the heart of India. The present day Kanha area is divided into two sanctuaries, Halon and Banjar, of 250 and 300 km square respectively. Kanha National Park was created on 1st June 1955 and in 1973 was made the Kanha Tiger Reserve. Today it stretches over an area of 940 km square in the two districts Mandla and Balaghat. So children, here we have completed this lesson. Watch the video carefully and complete the work in your textbook and send your work for correction in Google Classroom. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye and thank you.